This is my Mustang Mercedes. Anyway, just introducing you to another member of the clan. See y'all later in the kitchen. Welcome, y'all, to the Ohio Buckeye Bake-Off Challenge. Good morning, y'all. Welcome to Cooking on the Farm. This is actually a collab video that I'm involved in for keto bread this month. 1.5 cups of almond flour, 1/2 cup of coconut flour, 4 teaspoons baking powder, 2 finger pinch of salt, 2 teaspoons cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1/2 teaspoon cloves, 1/2 teaspoon ginger. If you don't have cinnamon, nutmeg, cloves, or ginger, you can use 2 teaspoons pumpkin pie spice. Our wet ingredients are 3/4 cup of melted butter, 2/3 cup of sweetener, 4 eggs, 2 teaspoons vanilla. You know me, I like a little heavy on my vanilla. And 3/4 cup of pumpkin puree. All right, y'all. So I am gonna mix all my dry ingredients and then get them mixed together and then do my wet ingredients. Just dump. Make sure when you're dumping spices into a bowl, sprinkle them around. Don't dump them all in the same spot or else someone could get a very salty bite, gingery bite. Ooh, I already did that one. This smells like Christmas. Yeah, spicy. So there's a few little coconut chunks in here. I'm just gonna break them up with my fingers as I see them. Because again, you don't wanna bite into a big chunk of anything. All right, now I'm gonna do my wet ingredients. I'm going to beat my eggs really quick just to get them started. I'm going to, that is gonna fall out and make a mess. I'm just gonna add vanilla, my pumpkin, my sugar. And the last thing you wanna add is your butter because it could still be pretty warm. I've had this setting on the side for a little bit, but you don't wanna cook your eggs. So once you add your warm butter, stir pretty quickly so you don't scramble those eggs. Because what you don't want is sugary scrambled eggs in your pumpkin bread. All right, that is all mixed up. I'm gonna clear my counter real quick and mix these two together. All right, I've got my wet and dry ingredients. I also have my oven already preheated to 350 degrees. I have a greased loaf pan. I've done this in muffins for traveling. We did a lot of beach trips and it was great to have a little muffin to just pop in your mouth. We did the little minis, and then if we went on a picnic, we did like the bigger cupcake muffin size. So anyway, we're gonna do bread today. All right. All right, guys, so then you're just gonna mix this together. And because this does not have gluten in it, like normal flour, if you mix it too much, it's not gonna get super rubbery and chewy. I'm just gonna get this done. There we go. All right. So I'm just gonna put this, I'm gonna put this in my loaf pan. And get it in the oven. Then kind of push things into your corner. Give it a little tap. And this goes into a 350 degree oven. The other thing is this has a cream cheese frosting that you can put on it. I'm not a big fan of it. My family likes it, but I don't. And so this is gonna be a collab with my recipe. It's 8 ounces of cream cheese softened, and then your sweetener of choice to taste. And then what you can do is swirl it on top, mix it in a little bit, or just frost your loaf. like I said, I'm not a big fan of it, so I'm just gonna leave it just like this. Let's go to the oven. So see how there's some stuff on the knife? It's not quite done. I'm gonna put a piece of foil over it so it doesn't get too dark. All right, let's go in the oven. All right, look at that beauty. All right, so I'm gonna stick this in. Comes out clean. We're gonna let this guy cool until you can touch the pan with your hands, and then we'll put it on a plate and I'll show you how it cuts. I'm gonna try a bite of this. I prefer it with butter, but I'm gonna give it to you guys without butter. Cinnamon, nutmeg, cloves. Super delicious. Hey y'all, so I wanted to show you what my pumpkin bread looks like with the frosting on it. I didn't swirl it, I just put it on. My husband wanted to take some to work with him with the frosting on. So this is what it looks like. So you've got your layer of frosting, and it kind of gets a nice crispy top on it. I'll take a bite. So I love the tang, but the combination for me, I don't love, but I have very hungry kiddos that are waiting for slices here. So I'm gonna get this sliced up. I'll leave some for my husband to take to work, but honestly, with these guys, I don't know how much is gonna be left. Anyway, I hope you like this recipe. Leave in the comments below if you like the frosting or don't like the frosting. If you want, do half and half, see if you like it. Let me know. See you later on Cooking on the Farm. Woo! I made a mess. Did I get it? And I have a greased loaf